All right, we're going to take a look at real-world examples involving simple interest. Let's take a look at our problem. Mr. Gabel borrowed 1,860 to buy a computer. He will pay 71.30 per month for 30 months. Find the simple interest rate for his loan. Now, usually, we're trying to figure out how much interest have they paid or been paid. And in this case, we're looking at something a little bit different here in our usual formula. We're usually looking for interest. In this case, we want to know what is the rate. We want to find this. We want to find the rate that he paid over the term of the 30 months. Before we can get going, though, we do have to find out how much interest did he pay altogether throughout the 30 months. So we're going to do this by taking the 71.30 that he paid every month and multiplying it by 30. All right, so we'll do that with our calculator. 71.30 times 30 is going to give us how much he paid back altogether, which in this case is 2,139. All right, now some of that was the principal that he was paying back to the bank. So we're going to have to take that total, the 2139 that he paid back, and subtract what was the initial amount of the loan, which is 1860. So we subtract that, and we're going to get $279. 279, this is the amount of interest he paid for his loan over the 30 months. Okay, this is an important piece of information because now we can take that 279 and plug it into our formula to find out what the rate is that he paid. So let's take a look. We now know that the interest is 279. The principal was 1860. The rate we don't know, so we're going to call that R, and the time is 2.5. Notice I changed it from 30 months to 2.5. When we're dealing with time in this formula, we're usually talking about years. So we're going to convert 30 months into years, which is 2.5. 12 months in a year. 12 times 2 is 24, plus 6 months gives us 30. So it's 2.5. All right, so let's take a look at how our formula looks now that we have the numbers plugged in that we know and our variable. So we have 279 equals 1,860 times R times 2.5. Well, let's combine what we can combine, which is multiplying our 1860 by 2.5. So we get our little handy-dandy calculator out here. We plug in 1860 times 2.5, and we're going to get 4,650. Okay, so now we have 279 is equal to 4,650 R. To find R, we're going to divide 279 by 4,650. And so we're going to get our handy-dandy calculator out again. 279 divided by 4,650 is equal to 6 hundredths. All right, so that was R. So R is equal to 6 hundredths, or the simple interest rate is 6 hundredths or 6%.